Ever worry about missing crucial details during your drive? The DL12 Pro 4K dash cam promises to capture every moment with stunning clarity, from street signs to license plates. Imagine having clear, reliable footage that could protect you in any situation. That's exactly what this camera delivers. I've tested the DL12 Pro myself, and the difference is clear. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen makes setup a breeze, letting you adjust settings with just a swipe or tap. What's even better, the intelligent voice control understands commands with 95% accuracy, so you can start or stop recording without taking your hands off the wheel. It's convenience and safety wrapped into one. What really impressed me is the dual Sony sensors on both the front and rear cameras. Thanks to a large f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, nighttime footage stays sharp and visible, no matter how dark it gets. Plus, the external GPS module tracks your speed and route, providing solid evidence if you ever need it. You can even switch off the GPS when you don't want it active. Parking becomes less stressful with the upgraded parking assistant. You can choose from 3 different parking angles to fit your needs, and the rear mirror function lets you flip the image vertically or horizontally, no upside-down surprises. These thoughtful features add up to a smarter, safer driving experience. If you're looking for a dash cam that combines crystal clear 4K video, smart controls, and reliable GPS tracking, the DL12 Pro is worth a look. It's already earned top reviews from drivers across the United States who appreciate its quality and ease of use. Whether you drive a car or a truck, this camera adapts to your needs smoothly. Ready to upgrade your drive with a dash cam that truly delivers? The DL12 Pro 4K offers what you get: clear footage, effortless control, and peace of mind on every trip. Try it when you're ready to capture every detail and drive safer.